Hao China. To all my friends on Bilibili, it's Charlie Puth here. I'm very excited to be joining Shinyin Shushi today. My music for you, anytime, anyplace.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used to do.
I just dropped my new single Left and Right featuring Jungkook of BTS, and my new album Charlie is coming out soon on October 7th. Go stream Left and Right right now and stay tuned for the new album. Right now I'm going to play the new single, the acoustic version of Left and Right. I hope you like it.
Memories follow me left and right. I could feel you over here. You take up every corner of my mind. Ever since the day you went away, how to erase your body from out my brain. Maybe I should just focus on me instead. Other nights we were tangled up in your bed. Oh no, oh no. You're going round in circles, got you stuck up in my head, yeah. Memories follow me left and right. I can feel you over here. You take up every corner of my mind. Your love stays with me day and night. I can feel you over here. You take up every corner of my mind. Ever since the day you went away, how much more do I gotta drink for the pain? Maybe I should just focus on me instead. Other nights we were tangled up in your bed. Oh no, oh no. You're going round in circles, got you stuck up in my head, yeah. Memories follow me left and right. I can feel you over here. You take up every corner of my mind. Your love stays with me day and night. I can feel you over here. You take up every corner of my mind. Did you know you're the one that got away? And even now, baby, I'm still not okay. Did you know that my dreams, they're all the same? Every time I close my eyes, memories follow me left and right. I can feel you over here. You take up every corner of my mind. Your love stays with me day and night. I can feel you over here. You take up every corner of my mind. What you gonna do now? Oh, I can feel you over here. You take up every corner of my mind. What you gonna do now?
That song was super fun to make. I actually came up with the melody in a dream of mine, and I've always wanted to experiment with panning vocals on the left side and on the right side and have the lyrics talk about what's happening when you hear the song. You can close your eyes and almost see the music video. This next one is the first single that is off the album. It's called Light Switch, and here's the acoustic version of that.
Why are you calling at 11:30 when you only wanna do me dirty? But I hit right back cause you got that. Why you always wanna act like lovers, but you never wanna be each other's? I said don't look back, but I go right back, and all of a sudden I'm hypnotized. You're the one that I can't deny. Every time that I say I'm gonna walk away, you turn me on like a light switch. When you're moving your body around and around, now I don't wanna fight this. You know how to just make me want you. Turn me on like a light switch. When you're moving your body around and around, you got me in a tight grip. You know how to just make me want you, baby.
That's all I got for you. I hope you enjoyed the songs I just played. Make sure to check out my new single and stay tuned for my new album, Charlie. I've also got some special gifts for those of you who are watching. Don't forget to check out my Bilibili channel. Gande. I hope I said that correctly. Cheers.